Hi everyone, we're going to graph f of x and find the equation of tangent and normal at point P here and sketch those two lines on the same graph. So we'll have this quadratic here and two lines. So the first thing we do is take the first derivative of our function, and that's just going to be negative 2x. All right, and then to find the slope, you plug in your x. So we plug in our 2, and that gives us negative 4. That's the slope of the tangent line. So the slope of the tangent line equals negative 4, and therefore the slope of the normal line, let's put it like that, is 1/4, negative reciprocal. Here's a little drawing to show you kind of what we're going to be doing. We're going to be graphing this and the tangent and the normal line. All right, so now we just have to write our equation given that we have this point. So we have y equals negative 4x plus b. Let's plug in our x and y. So 2 equals negative 4 times 2 plus b. This is negative 8. Add 8 to both sides, you get 10 equals b. So our equation for the tangent line is y equals negative 4x plus 10. Now for the normal, we're going to write y equals 1/4 x plus b. Plug in your x and y, so you get 2 equals 1/4 times 2 plus b. So we get 2 equals 1/2 plus b. So that's going to be, let's see. Yeah, this is going to be 2 minus 1/2 equals b. And so this would be 3/2 equals b. All right, so our equation is y equals 1/4 x plus 3/2. All right, now let's just graph everything. So the first thing is to graph this one. This means my y-intercept is at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it also opens downward because it's negative. You could actually write it like y equals negative x squared plus 6. So it opens downward. We also have a point at 2, 2. 2, 2 means we have a point here because it's symmetric. All right. We have one here too. All right, that's just nature of the quadratic. And then square root of 6 if you want to do that, but let's just kind of sketch the graph here like this. It's opening down. Hopefully I did that okay. And then my key point here is 2, 2. So let's look at our tangent line. Our y-intercept is 10, so it's way up here. And the slope is negative 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So I'm going to try to get more points because it's really hard to graph the tangent line without. So going through these points here. So this is supposed to touch right there. All right. Then the normal line, we have, I think that's what I was confusing me on the last one. This was actually 7. This was actually 3/2, I believe. All right. So 3/2. So we're going to go to 1.5 right here. And just connect these two here. And if you can make it straight, there's your normal line. And you could just draw a little box right there, square. And there's your two lines. So that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.